Hey guys, I want to quickly show you the updated version of my full Telegram mini app source code. This is not just a small UI template. This is a complete mini app system that you can customize and launch for your own project. And right now, it has a 30% discount on my website. So this is the main app. The user has points, levels, rank, referrals, daily rewards, and a real game inside the mini app. The important thing is this. Users are not just opening a static page. They can actually play, earn points, come back every day, invite friends, complete tasks, and spend inside the app. People can claim daily points, so they have a desire to open this app every day. Here is the game itself. It is a merge-style game where users drop items, merge them, and earn points. This is much more engaging than a simple clicker because users can actually play for longer and try to beat their score. And after the game ends, the score is saved to the user account. Now this is one of the most important parts: referrals. Every user gets their own invite link. They can share it inside Telegram and bring new users to the app. This is why Telegram mini apps can grow so fast. If the app gives users a reason to invite friends, they become part of the growth system. There is also a leaderboard. This adds competition. Users can see other players, compare their rank, and feel motivated to keep earning more points. Now let's talk about monetization. The app supports Telegram stars, so users can buy points directly inside Telegram. You can create different packages, add bonuses, and start monetizing the mini app without building this system from scratch. As soon as the user completes the purchase, they can see the balance reflected. It also supports TON payments. The user can connect a wallet, choose a package, pay in TON, and after confirmation, the app adds points to their account. There is also payment history, so users can see their completed transactions. This is the most robust and beautifully designed payment systems you can find in a Telegram community. Another important part is wallet collection. Users can add their airdrop wallet. So if you are building a Web3 project, meme coin, NFT project, community app, or any Telegram-based crypto product, you can collect wallets and later reward your users. Now, one of the most important parts of this app, the task system. First, I go to the admin dashboard. Here, I can manage the tasks that users see inside the mini app. I can change the order, move tasks up or down, and then click Save Order. Now I go back to the mini app, refresh the page, and you can see that the task order has changed immediately. Let's complete the first task, follow on X. I click the task, then click the button, and it opens the correct page for the user. After that, I go back to the app and wait for the countdown to finish. After the countdown ends, I can claim the reward. Now the second task, join the Clicker News channel. I click the join button, and it opens the correct Telegram channel. Then I go back to the app and claim the reward. This task is actually verified. The app checks whether the user joined the channel or not. In my case, I was already a member, so I can claim the reward immediately. And now the third task, the referral task. This task requires me to have one referral. Since I already invited one user, the requirement is completed, and I can claim the reward. This is a powerful mechanic because you can reward users for bringing real new users into your mini app. Now, let's create a new task from the admin panel. To do this, I just click the New Task button. Here, we can create different types of tasks: a Telegram channel task, a simple link task, or a referral task. Let's create a Telegram channel task. First, I add the title. Then I can add an optional description, set the reward points, and choose a font awesome icon. You can find these icons online and use the icon name here. Then I add the Telegram channel link and the channel handle. After that, I can click this button to check if the bot has access to the Telegram channel. For verification to work, the bot should be added as an admin inside the channel, but you can disable all admin rights for this bot. It still works, because the bot only needs access to check whether the user joined the channel. Now the access check is successful, so I can create the task. The new task is created. Let's move it to the top, save the order, and go back to the mini app. Now we can see the new task inside the app. Open it, join the channel, and claim the reward. So again, the important thing is that you can create new growth tasks from the admin panel without changing the code or redeploying the app. Now, let's also create a referral task. For example, we can create a task where the user needs to invite 3 friends to claim the reward. I add the title, reward points, and set the required number of referrals. Now the task is created and we can test it inside the mini app. When I open this task, the app checks my current referral count. In this case, I have only 1 referral, so I cannot claim the reward yet. Instead, the app redirects me to the referral page where I can invite more friends. This is a very simple but powerful growth mechanic. Users are not just collecting points, they are motivated to bring more real users into your app. So this is the updated Telegram mini app package. You get the game, point system, referrals, leaderboard, tasks, admin panel, Telegram stars payments, TON payments, wallet collection, and payment history. And right now, it is available with a 30% discount on my website. You can check the live preview and get the full source code from the link. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.